Curtain, is that okay?
Ah, yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry. Oh, hello.
Hello. Oh, look at that. Look at your baby sister. Look at your baby sister. She looks like you.
Huh?
Oh. Hello, ate. Hello, my ate. Hmm? Look at that. Oh. Look at ate. Oh. Hello.
Naka-open yung eyes.
Naka-open your eyes. Oh, you want to carry your baby sister? I'm gonna carry it so you could hold the baby. Okay? Can you hold this, Dad? Oh, let's go, come on.
Get your jacket.
Oh, yeah. Your ate is here. Of course.
Oh, wala kang chinelas naman. Asan yung chinelas? You know?
Oh, look at ate. Hello, my ate.
Hello.
Hello, my ate. Oh,
Close mo yan.
kiss mo naman si Why?
Hindi ka pa nakaligo.
Here, sorry.
Yeah.
Yan, nagkatulog ulit.
Just hold your baby sister. Just sit down and then I will assist you. Hello, ate. Uy. Hello, ate. Oh.
There's a baby cry.
She likes you, Vin. Oh.
Harap ka doon.
Let's take a photo.